Hi guys, this is Sector. Today is Wednesday, the 30th of May 2007. London market hasn't opened yet. It's 7:45 a.m. in the morning, Euro time. I'm looking into a potential London Open breakout type of type of trade. Okay, it's rather a continuation type of trade. Okay, I only look into the last 2-3 days worth of price action. Okay. As you know, Tokyo is the quietest of all trading sessions. Okay, and we've seen a pretty range-bound quiet market overnight. This is what's been going on overnight in the Tokyo session. Okay, so. We had a nice thrust down yesterday, okay, on the GBP Canadian dollar. A very tight range overnight, a very quiet market, and I'm searching for a continuation of this move when London opens, okay, to the downside. That's the breakout I'm going to be looking to try it. Okay, it's I trade two systems. One is my typical trend following systems, following the moving averages, and the other one is the London Open breakout type of trade. So let's have a look what's been going on in the last few days in the hourly chart. As we can see throughout the last few days, we've been seeing somewhat of a down mood, okay, of a down bias for the last 2, 3, 4 days. Like I say, once again, the London Open breakout is not a trend following system, okay. So you don't need, or I particularly don't need, a very strong trend, okay. I just need an overall down bias for the week, okay, making a few lower highs, a few lower lows, okay, a tight overnight range band condition, and then bang, a breakout in the direction of the that price action behavior that I see in the last few days, okay. So basically, like I say, it's rather a continuation type of breakout than a trend following system. Okay, it's basically just like any other type of breakout. Okay, all the breakouts that I tried, okay, be it one particular level of support and resistance, or being a pattern. Okay, basically what I need is just the breakout. The three aspects of any breakout are the breakout thrust, the pullback to previous resistance levels, okay, and the continuation. All right, triggering my short entry as we make new lows. All right, so since this is the let's zoom to the 15-minute chart for a clearer view. I'm just basically looking for a breakout, okay, as soon as London opens below the 212.50 area, below this trading range, okay, a pullback, and then the continuation pattern triggering my short entry. Okay, that's it's about the type of breakout you guys see me trading every day on my videos. All right. And okay, that's it. I'll let you guys know whatever happens with the trade. Of course, if it breaks to the upside, as you saw, the whole setup will be void, will be cancelled. I'm looking for a breakout to the downside with a pullback and a continuation. All right, it's like I say, it's basically the same type of trading methodology that you guys see me trading every day. Okay. All right, posting the video now, and I'll keep you updated. Bye bye. Hi guys, just a quick update to let you know that I've just triggered my short entry. We did have the breakout, the pullback, and the continuation aspect. We've just made a new low, 1 pip below the previous low for the day, so I've triggered my short entry. Entry 1:12.35. Stop loss right above there, above the pullback aspect, and the 2:12.50 around a number. All right. Okay, let's see how these things go. Bye-bye. Hi guys, it's me again. Just a quick update to let you know that I've moved stop right there. Okay. We've just gone through a minor pullback, okay, to the previous day's low right there, okay. Previous support, now working as resistance. We've just pipped below the low of the day. So in my opinion, this level has been confirmed as a level of support resistance, the 212.20 right there, okay. As you can see, we broke below. It's once again, it's the same pattern that we saw on the actual London session. Sorry, the Tokyo session breakout. Let me clean up the chart a little bit. Breakout, pullback, continuation. All right. Basically the same type of formation. Okay, we have this level of former support. We have a breakout, a pullback, and a continuation, making new lows. And as we make a new low, it's safe, in my opinion, to move stop to break even. This is what I explain in the my website in the section of in-trade management. All right. It's not as much, in my opinion, as to pull some profits off the table, okay, but main point, as far as I'm concerned, is to well, you know, to protect yourself from possible from risk. Like I always say, trading is all about minimizing risks, okay. So this level has worked support, now resistance, being confirmed, making new lows for the day. So in my opinion, it's safe to move stop to break even and let it ride to its final target for the day, which is my final target. It's 211.75, which is basically about 10 pips, 11 pips below current price level. Okay, I'm just gonna let this thing run to its full potential target, and I'll keep on updating whether I get stopped out or my final target is hit. Okay. All right. Bye bye. Hi guys. Just a final update. Barely 5 minutes after the last one. My final target was hit right there to 11.75 for plus 55 pips in profit. Okay. Pretty stress-free, barely 1 hour and 45 minutes. Into the trade. It's always so nice to when you get this type of trades, okay, the London Open Breakout type of trades, because when they do happen, okay, when all the ducks line up, okay, when all the conditions are met, they are very quickly to give out their profits, okay. Some momentum breakout as London opens, okay, a nice influx of volume comes in the market, okay, and we see this kind of down thrusts, okay, in momentum. And like I said, you can squeeze 20 pips profit in the GBP pairs, okay, relatively quick, okay. As of now, the average daily range for the day is 120. It's 127 pips, and the average is 140. So we are almost there to hit the maximum of what this pair usually gives out as an average. Okay, that's why I've exited. I for this type of trades I always take the average daily range, and I well, minus a 20%, minus a 15-20%, just for, you know, a security gap in there to have some breathing room in case we go through a very slow day and we don't meet the average. Well, that's basically, not much else to say, guys.